just in an accumulation phase.
Thing check, my thing fell. Hold on.
But again, if I don't get something here, I'll take a trade with you guys in the PM. Okay.
Is it too late? It's not too
And
late.
also, the people have spoken.
Order filled.
All right, I entered this trade too late, chat, but it's straight.
PM/Asian session live streams per week. Okay, guys. So put a reaction in the chat or something like that if you guys are ready for that, because I haven't streamed the PM.
I like how Pride's gonna treat this in version 5 minute. My stop loss gonna be just above here.
What I'm gonna shoot for going forward.
Right, I mean my stop's at swing high now, guys. In just 1 second, if that candle closes and the create.
Because the reality is, there's a lot of text from threes in the PM session. I've taken a lot with you guys on the signals tab. Okay, so
let's see if we get an actual swing high though.
I would like to give you guys what you want here and give you a couple live streams a week. On top of the AM streams as well, obviously.
Patience, guys. Have some patience.
Let's do it. Okay, Alex, for the PM.
Hold on, I might have to get out this trade chat. How much pips? 12?
150 to 210 and then 250 to 310. So,
in my stops there.
You know, chances are we'll boot up around 1:30/1:40 PM for the PM session. And then Asia about 30 minutes after the true day opening. So,
right, all good, boys.
Like for example, here's the true day opening.
Our price did was to come back to the first place MVG.
Right, so I'll kind of wait until like the next hour, and then I'll look to trade Asia with you guys. Now, I'm only going to stream / trade Asia if there's a lot of volatility, because that's the only time that Asia is worth it and actually going to have a
order filled.
So if you guys
I saw 3 more on this.
20 hands, isn't it?
The trade that I took care
I
of
saw
Asia,
3 more on this because I like how I respected the first person MVG.
It was spiked by what was it? Earnings. That's right. So earnings kind of set the stage for a clean Asia. We had a lot of volatility, so only if it's volatile. Okay, if it's not volatile, it's not even worth it, and you're just gonna lose unnecessary money. So, all right, ES is finally starting to give it up here. Drop off.
Good.
Okay, so I need ES to come down into this low right here.
Oh, yeah.
This 840 low.
I'm probably gonna be calling it a day there, guys.
Oh yeah, Alex. Everything I said was just for Eastern time, New York time.
Come on, ES.
France is what, six hours ahead?
Probably call it there, boys.
Guys, it's crazy because all my ancestors are from
TP would have been smashed.
France. So, I mean, I don't even know if anyone in America is like.
When price got this low, I'm gonna break even.
Actually, like from that land, like I feel like everyone. Like,
yeah, all good, boys. I'm gonna be
I
calling it there. Done for the day.
I don't know many Americans that don't have some
type
of like ancestors from other countries and whatnot.
I need ES. When ES take out this low, I'm gonna take some profits out, chat. Come on, take out that low, ES. I'm gonna move my stops to right here.
Another thing I didn't realize either is I met this African guy. He was I forget what the country's called, but it was a country in Africa, and he speaks French. I was like, wait, you're from Africa and you speak French? He was like, yes.
Take out this low, ES. All I need is ES to take out this low.
France occupied some of the countries.
Okay, that's all I was waiting for ES to do.
Converting languages and stuff like that. So I didn't know that. I thought that was interesting.
Order filled.
All right. Nice trade. All right, I'm still holding on this account. I'm still holding on this account though.
Okay, I see. Hey, listen, mind you, I didn't even realize any of this until 2 years ago, I was just like, yeah, I'm American, whatnot. And then my mom does a DNA test, and it turns out she's 70% French. I was like, oh, okay.
It's a 5-minute FVG right here that price is currently respecting. On ES. I'm not risking too much, chat, so I'm straight. You feel me? I am good. I ain't risking too much. I'm straight, man. Like how I respect this 5-minute FVG. So this right here was an A+ setup. It was an A+. I like how price respected this 15-second FVG, and plus it came into the first person FVG chat. So I already supposed to enter this trade right there. Then I would have been up already 50 bips.
By simply gambling.
No cap.
Mass opportunity here because I like how we generated these relative highs. I am bullish, and we have.
Okay, why are you bullish for it, bro? Can you hear me?
Really
I'm in the best trader right now.
If not in the AM session, the PM session, okay? That's what I'm looking at. Also, I want you guys to take a look here at this hourly for value gap. So you're probably looking at.
I don't like how price is trading this 5-minute FVG, but I'm still going to continue to hold this trade.
Some of you might be looking at the 15-minute model 4 gap. Okay, and saying, oh, well, you know, this is invalidated because we, you know, blasted through the 15-minute gap. But we have an hourly gap right here. So it would still be valid if we got the model inside of, remember, an hourly or 15-minute gap. So your job is not to predict which 15 or hourly gap is going to be the model 4 gap. Okay, what you're doing is looking at those gaps, looking at pool liquidities inside of them, for example, like right here or here, and then waiting for that time-based light bulb displacement in the direction of a drawn liquidity like these highs right here. Everyone understand? That's what we're talking about when we're doing model 4. Now, of course, if we blast through this hourly gap, then yes, model 4 would be invalidated, right? But for now, we're looking at see what we do here. So slight SMT divergence here because ES was able to come down and sweep this low. Doesn't mean much to me yet because we need time-based displacement, okay, to solidify it. One hour, Bissy, would I consider that? Yeah, it looks like you read my mind, brother. Yes, indeed, I would. So again, your job's not to predict which one's going to be the model 4 gap. Okay, if it checks all the boxes, delivering out of an hourly or 15-minute gap, there you go. That's the one you're going to use. Now, I still think we go lower because we're just a little bit too close to this low, and also right below this low is a magnet on price in the form of 830 opening, okay?
All right, 50 pips on this account.
Listen, guys, and you guys wonder why I preach shooting for the less is more approach and making the wins count whenever you get them, okay? Because a lot of times you're going to be stuck in high resistance. It's going to be low quality conditions that are tempting because maybe you want to, you know, rush to get this payout, whatever the case is.
Price got this load. I want to take out.
But let's say that you, you know, you're disciplined throughout the week because really, you know, we had some low quality PA and then we hit Thursday. You take that Model 3 long with us, you make it count because you're copy trading, you're using that assertive risk with 2% risk of your account, and you get paid.
Price got his load. I want to take out. Dang, I can just take profit.
You know, content with just that one trade when you make it count. Okay, and then by the time you hit this type of price action, you don't feel pressured to do something. Okay, so to me, that's the most highly effective way to trade these markets. Not only from other people's results in this group, but mine as well. Okay. It's simply just what has worked. For
I like this 830 low to get delivered to. This 830 low.
Of staring at these candlesticks. Okay.
Inside this 15-minute FVG.
So we did pierce that low, which is pretty good. Again, this to me is a really high quality draw on liquidity because it's a time-based 930 high with relative highs. Okay.
44 pips. I really was supposed to join the bit right here. I'd have been up like 60. I'm finna close out though. I'm finna close out my trade in any minute. Not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you, chat. I might just close it out right now. 37. I'm gonna continue holding, bro. Just because I want to close out, I'm gonna continue holding. I'm not gonna hold you.
Now I know what some of you are thinking. It's definitely valid. Okay? We came up, swept buy side, failed to get up to all-time high, but yes, swept all-time high. Dow, okay, honestly I thought it swept all-time high, but it looks like it actually failed. Okay, but the fact is we do have an S&T at all-time highs. Okay? And obviously right now it's seemingly gonna hold, okay? So, I mean, if we really do just start dropping off and invalidating the hourly gap, okay, my focus would just simply revert to the new day opening gap down here, okay? So I'd be okay with, quote unquote switching bias because at the end of the day, daily bias is not just some holy grail, Gotta be one to adapt and adjust. And also admit when you may be wrong, okay? Now, don't get me wrong, I still think that the time-based liquidity at the range high is definitely a good target, okay? But you need a model at the end of the day to have a reason to buy up into that, okay? So again, if this fails, which it looks like it is going to fail, targets would be at the 830 time-based low plus... Give me a second. Okay, this new day opening gap. So 2 potential targets to the downside. Obviously, it's quite high resistance, so I wouldn't rush into anything here. Okay, ES is back into new day opening gap here. Okay, take note of that. We're also reaching both opening prices on NASDAQ and ES here on the NFP opening, okay?
Order filled.
So right now we're kind of just stuck in between 2 high quality liquidity pools. So at this point, I'm really cornered in to waiting for one of these sides to get hit and then look to target the opposing end. Okay, so we're stuck in between 2 high quality liquidity pools. I'm not trying to predict which one's going to get hit first in that case and scenario, right? I would wait for one or the other to be hit and look to frame a model up off of that. So ideally, we would come down to 830 opening, tap that, and that will give us a Model 3 back to the upside, okay? Notice I'm kind of shifting gears here at the moment because there's no ego attached to the analysis, right? It's important to separate the ego from analysis because if you are married to a bias and can't accept that you were wrong about the initial idea, then chances are you're not going to, catch the real A+ move that's actually going to happen.
I'm gonna close out this trade, chat. I don't care for it anymore. Like I know I should be holding it to right here, but I just wanna close out. I know I'm only like a couple $100 away from passing this account, but
order filled.
This is a good day for me. 14-minute trade, chat. I'm not sure to held this trade, but it's okay. It's okay, chat. It's okay. Good day today.
We'll see. You talking about right down here?
Good day today, man. Good day.
I'm not really concerned with it right now. at all. But, I mean, can it be a future target? Yes, for sure. 100%. Especially with fall kicking in. So again, I do want to see this 830 low tag, guys. Okay? See if I can frame something off of it. Overall, very high resistant market here today after smooth delivery. So it's kind of a messed up market here because we have smooth low resistance and then we...
Dang, I should have did for it. Boy, I'd have been
really choppy, high
not
resistance.
even, bro. I was supposed to get in right here. Instead of me getting in right here, chat, I was supposed to wait. I got in like right here. I was supposed to wait until it come to the first person FVG and then get in again. But it's okay though, chat. Good day. Caught this straight in front of you guys, man. Nice Friday, and the Friday strong, and I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow.